Hi everyone, it is Higo here, founder of FinMeUp, and I'm excited about today's podcast because we'll just be having a look and an overview of the stock picks, which is another feature on our app, where we say which companies we are buying, selling, and holding. Just a reminder that it is not advice, it is just what we are doing and our research and our opinion, not advice to you. You should always do your own research, but let's have a look at how our shares performed over the past 3 months. So our first stock pick was released on the 22nd of Feb. So it's been exactly 3 months since our first stock pick. And as it is today, we have 16 buy stock picks, which means we bought those shares at that time. Overall, in the past 3 months, the average return on the stock picks was 22.9%. So that is just in 3 months. We are extremely proud of ourselves, if I can say that, and of our research and just the timing of everything. As in a bank, in a fixed deposit where you can't even do anything with your money, you get about 7-8% max per year. And our stock picks generated 22.9% in just 3 months. Hopefully this can continue. And just a reminder that most of our stocks are actually long-term buys. So these returns in just 3 months is actually insane. So let's look at the shares. So first of all, let's look at Facebook, our price that we bought at. And so when I say the price that we bought at was the price that we published on the day of the stock pick. So at the stock pick, it says recommended price. So that is the price at which we bought. So first of all, Facebook we bought at $181, which gave us a 44% return, which is a great return. Tesla, we bought at $434, which is an 89.6% return. Well, Tesla, is one of our favorite companies. We just believe in this movement going forward, in what they do and their vision and how they actually execute all of their plans. Thirdly, Uber. So the Uber share price increased by 11.86%. Our recommended price was $22.4. All these above shares listed in America. Then fourthly, Skyworks, which is a 5G play. Our recommended price was $77. It is now $117, so that is a 50.6% return. Then this next one was our worst return, which was a decrease of 7%. That was JSE listed, which is South Africa. African Rainbow Capital, they decreased by 7%. Our recommended price there was R3.25. Still a good long-term company, so we'll definitely hold that position. DCX10 gave us a 14.6% return. DCX10 is our cryptocurrency play, as it is basically a basket or ETF of cryptocurrencies, the largest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Then ARK Innovation gave us a return of 12.7%. Our recommended price there was 54.61. This is a great ETF. They own companies in their portfolio like Tesla, like Square, like Illumina, which is gene sequencing, CRISPR, which has to do with cancer research. And so it's just a disruptive, innovative ETF. So yeah, they gave us a 12.7% return. Microsoft, slow start for them. They gave us a 5.8% return, but great long-term company, and we think that they'll benefit from the pandemic going on in the world. Then 10th, SBA Oil, listed in South Africa, which is basically just an ETN, electronic traded note that tracks the oil price. Then we have, that gave us a 10.25% return. Then we have Telkom, giving us a 7.38% return. Still some more upside potential there in the short term. Then we have Nvidia, which is a great company. I personally bought this share when it was $36 a few years back. it is now $358. So that is a 10x company for me. But our recommended price on the FinMeUp app for that was $235, which gives us a 54.5% return. Then we have MTN, also South Africa, listed on the JSE, a communications company that provides data. They gave us a 16.7% return, and we actually posted this stock pick very recently, so that is a great return thus far. Also some more upside potential, as their South African business is actually a massive business and undervalued, and then you also get the Nigerian business basically for free. So great company as well, especially for the long term, for the short term, sorry. Then we also have Naspers, which is the holding company of Process, and Process is the holding company of various fintech plays across the globe, including Tencent. And we all know Tencent is a phenomenal company in China, and they definitely gained more market share and greater revenues due to the current situation going on and people staying at homes. Then Masterdrill also acquired one, only up 5%. So they are the innovative mining, they provide innovative solutions for mining companies, up 5%. And then last but not least, Purple Group, which is a very small company listed on the JSE in South Africa. They are the holding company of Easy Equities. They decreased by 2.9%, but that is just due to the illiquidity in the stock, and this is definitely a long-term play for us. So we are very glad, honored, favored, and proud of ourselves, how these stock picks did for this quick overview, and the 22.9% return in just 3 months. Hopefully this can continue. We will post many more stock picks as time goes on, and as we see more opportunities and do more research. We are here for you to hopefully equip you for your future and your road to financial independence. Stay tuned for more. We've got a very exciting podcast that we'll be recording this weekend, which will be about some of our predictions for the next few years, and why we are investing in some of the companies due to that movement. Cheers.